Due to the presence of oleoresin, which is very effective in suppressing cough, ginger is very good for this condition. Other components like essential oils and antioxidants of ginger also add to its medicinal value. Other compounds present in ginger like zingerone, shogaols, and gingerols also helps in cough and cold. Most of the remedies mentioned in the video gives relief from both cold, cough associated with cold, and sore throat due to these two. Ginger is primarily used to reduce coughing and gives relief to sore throats. The effects are best when the cough is caused due to cold. Lozenges made out of ginger powder are available as over-the-counter products to cure these types of coughs. Boil few slices of ginger in a bowl of water. Add few drops of ginger oil to it. Now inhale the vapors. This will help in soothing the sore throat. Prepare tea using lemon, ginger, and hot water. This not only soothes the sore throat but also helps in curing the cough. Add 1 tablespoon honey in the tea towards the end of boiling process. A very simple way is to just chew few slices of ginger 3 to 4 times a day. Ensure that ginger used here is raw and fresh to get fast relief. Make a smooth paste out of 10 pieces of basil or tulsi leaves. Take a 1 inch of ginger and make fine slices out of it. Extract juice from finely chopped ginger. Now mix basil paste, ginger juice, and honey. Take 1 teaspoon of this 2 to 3 times a day. Massage with few drops of ginger oil on chest and back. This will not only give relief from cough but would also help in having a good night's sleep. Use this massage primarily in night for fast relief. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Mix it well and make syrup out of it. Take this syrup 3 times in a day. Mix 3 tablespoons of raw chopped ginger with 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint. Add it in 4 cups of water and boil it on medium flame. Boil it till the mixture is reduced to half. After it cools down, mix a cup of honey to the solution. Take 1 tablespoon of this every 4 to 5 hours to get fast relief from cough. You could refrigerate this too for 2 to 3 weeks. Make a juice out of 1 inch of ginger. Now mix a pinch of honey, 1 teaspoon of honey and again a pinch of black pepper. Lick this very slowly, 1 small spoon of it at a time. Repeat this 3 to 4 times a day. Cut an inch of ginger into small strips. Chew this by adding normal salt. Repeat it 2 to 3 times a day. This will give relief from moderate cough.